my favorite Kentucky Fried Chicken spice with almond flour and a tiny bit of arrowroot flour to make it stick. So today I'm showing you how I batch cook some chicken fingers. I'm going to fry them in olive oil on the stove. I have about 5 tablespoons of olive oil in my pan, and then this is a mixture I made with almond flour, and right now I'm putting in 1 tablespoon of arrowroot flour. This is going to help my flour stick without having to do the egg wash and all that. I don't want to have to double dip. I just want to get these done real quick. Usually it takes me about 15 minutes to cook my chicken. I start by putting some of my flour in a flat plate, and then what I do is I slowly just add a little bit to the top, and by the way, these have not had the egg wash on them. What I did with my chicken is I rinsed it with cold water so that it is a little wet, it is a little damp, and then what I do is put it in a flat plate with my spiced flour, and then I slowly pat a little bit at a time on there. It'll go a long way. I'm not looking for a big thick breading on it. I want flavor, and I want it to cook nice and moist in my olive oil. So I have the hot olive oil. I've had it on medium high now for about 2 or 3 minutes, letting the oil get nice and hot. And then, as you can see, I just turn my chicken over and I keep patting it with a fork to get the nice spices all in there. Okay, so as you can see, the chicken's coming out real nice. I have about 2 more minutes, maybe 3 more minutes for it to cook. This is garlic infused olive oil. I like putting a little dribble of this on as it gets close to the end, just to add an extra flavor. So I've already turned these over once. I'm going to turn them over again. Me actually 5 meals altogether with 10 chicken tenders, and we want to crush our cravings, and that's one way of doing it, by cutting out the carbs. My favorite Kentucky Fried Chicken spice with almond flour and a tiny bit of arrowroot flour to make it stick, and it took me 15 minutes to make this. So to your health, and God bless you.